7 interesting junk food facts. 1. Invention of the potato chip. The potato chip, one of the most popular junk foods worldwide, was invented by accident. In 1853, a chef named George Crum created thin and crispy potato slices in response to a customer's complaint that the French fries were too thick. These chips gained popularity and became known as Saratoga Chips. 2. The birth of the hamburger. The hamburger, a classic fast food item, is believed to have originated in the late 19th century. While the exact details are disputed, it's commonly attributed to Louis Lassen, who served the first hamburger steak sandwich at his lunch wagon in New Haven, Connecticut, around 1900. 3. Popcorn's ancient origins. Popcorn, often enjoyed as a snack during movies, has been around for centuries. The oldest ears of popcorn were discovered in a cave in New Mexico, dating back approximately 5,600 years. 4. Pringles aren't actually potato chips. Pringles, a popular potato-based snack, is technically not classified as potato chips in some countries. In 2008, a UK court ruled that Pringles couldn't be considered potato crisps because they contain only about 42% potato content and have other added ingredients. 5. The Doritos triangle concept. Doritos, the iconic tortilla chips, were designed to be a triangle shape for a specific reason. The triangular shape was created to maximize the amount of flavor and seasoning that adheres to the chip, providing a more intense taste experience. 6. The original flavor of Skittles. Skittles, the colorful and fruity candies, were introduced in 1974 in the United States. Originally, they came in a single flavor and color, lime. However, in 2013, the green lime Skittle was replaced by green apple due to popular demand. 7. The world's largest hamburger. The record for the world's largest hamburger was set in 2012 in the city of Carlton, Minnesota. It weighed a staggering 2,014 pounds, 913 kilograms, surpassing the previous record. It took a team of people to cook and assemble the gigantic burger. These facts showcase some interesting aspects of the history, composition, and records related to popular junk food items. However, it's worth noting that while they may be intriguing, it's important to consume junk food in moderation as part of a balanced diet.